We're looking at the living room area. Nice couch. The little coffee table / ottoman. We have the TV, a window. The view is of the other Embassy Suites building, but we can see a little bit on the other side. The table. Now on the table, we have some snacks and some drinks, water. These are all complimentary. Walk a little further. Let's look underneath. And we just have some shelves underneath the TV. Now we come over to the bar area. And we have a microwave, a refrigerator. Actually cool. We have the normal amenities. Looks like some teas, coffee, the normal stuff with a sink, the microwave. Over underneath the sink, we have the safe. Wasn't expecting it under the sink. All right, so now panning back to the living area again. This is from this angle. Going back. Now we see the bathroom. We have a bathtub shower, normal toilet, and the sink with a huge mirror. We're gonna walk further into the suite. We have a full-length mirror. This room has 2 queens, the large window, another TV, a desk with a chair, drawers for storage. Kind of behind the door is where the closet's located. The standard ironing board, iron, additional pillow and blanket with lots of hangers along with a luggage rack. So it's a nice size. So this is an Embassy Suites, room 704, a premium queen corner room.